say I finally built a wall. I will procure a Darth Vader mask and breathe heavily through the mouth.
Yeah, I'm spacing out. Yep. Let's just move this chair back there. Excuse me.
They haven't taken out the recycling. It's clear that this hasn't been disinfected. So anybody want white?
I'm going to wash my hands afterwards. That's what I'll do. And I'm going to take a Kleenex.
Insights and comic relief.
Yeah. I don't have my gavel.
Oh.
Probably a good idea. Actually, I will go get it. You're right, the whole countertop is probably.
Kristen, Ruben, what's the Kristen had? Well, you've advised her that she doesn't need to, and she's going to take your class. Oh, and she didn't have direct contact with them all.
True. The problem is, when the messages go out, people go out and
Oh, it was in the message.
it's always hard. The problem is it's not split that way. All the movies are going out that.
Right.
Thank you. All right.
Mary, thanks for working a lot overtime.
So I'm going to talk, people are right, I'm going to talk a little bit about our social distancing. Get started.
Sure.
Yeah, and you should hand to Jim and Aaron.
Yeah, they should, yeah. Where's my,
Oh, we need to let the.
That helps you communicate to some people.
okay, I mean, here we go. I mean, you always need that share back. Did you? So this is.
That's an awesome word.
If he has it, 6 degrees
No,
separation.
Oh, yeah.
If he has it, you still don't have it. Which is,
That is really great, Frank.
it's only 1 degree of separation from anything. Yes, exactly. 1 degree of separation from the other day is a problem.
All right. We're not running the intro tape, right? You just let us know when we're live.
I miss hearing our former reporter, who's been immortalized.
Okay. All right, everybody ready? County Board is now in session. Good morning. Welcome to our March 14 special meeting of the Arlington County Board. Today we will be providing an update on our county and community efforts to address the coronavirus. We are here together. We are practicing social distancing. As you can see, we've separated ourselves out. We have wiped down our counter with some wipes. These are kind of precautions that we hope everybody will be taking throughout our community and your offices, your homes, and wherever you are. We have just recorded an informational video. which we're going to play now, and then we will take up ratification of our county manager's declaration of a local emergency, which he declared as of 7 p.m. last night. So if we could please run the tape. Hello, I'm Libby Garvey, Chair of the Arlington County Board. As most of us know, the World Health Organization has declared the novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, a pandemic. With cases in this region, including Arlington, we are taking steps as your government to support social distancing, and we need every community member's help. We have been preparing for pandemics like this since 2005, and we have been preparing for the coronavirus for the last 6 weeks. With us here today are our Health Director, Ruben Varghese, and our Director of Emergency Management, Aaron Miller, and our County Manager, Mark Schwartz. To slow the spread of this virus, we're changing how government services are delivered, and here's why. And as well, how.
We know that if we can significantly cut back on close physical contact in our community, we can slow the spread of the virus and ensure critical medical resources are available for those who need them. If we can avoid public gatherings and practice good hygiene, personally and collectively, including the simple yet critical step of washing our hands, our community will have the best chance of reducing transmission of the virus. By changing the way we deliver government services, from recreation to human services, Arlington County government can help all of us achieve that goal.
Arlington County's 3,900 employees will continue working and serving our community. We will continue to provide essential services for Arlington that is critical for public health and public safety. This includes 911, fire, police, and important services like housing grants, food stamps, and other essential needs. We will continue to provide permit, zoning, and inspection services, as well as maintenance services for water treatment, streetlights, parks, and trails.
Other functions will continue, but differently. We will be adjusting services and facilities to assure safe distancing for residents and for staff. Residents can expect changes in our services, including in parks and recreation, libraries, and other areas. By Monday, we will have a full list of changes to hours, services, and sites available on the county's webpage, which you can go to by typing in arlingtonva.us and entering coronavirus. We are also working with Arlington students and the acting superintendent to make sure, as our schools are closed, that we're able to support our young people and their families.
We know that these new measures are an inconvenience, but we believe that these changes to county government are Arlington's best chance of slowing the spread of this virus. They all support the following basic principle. Whenever people interact, they should try to stay at least 6 feet apart. We call this social distancing, and we need your help to make this the norm, not only when we're interacting with county government, but whenever and wherever we encounter each other. We need to wash our hands first thing when we're entering and leaving a new place, and minimize physical contact with one another.
We need to minimize the spread of infections when they do occur. If you do get sick, if you can stay home, please stay home. Avoid spreading your germs no matter what your illness. If you're concerned or not improving, call your medical provider, urgent care, or the emergency room before showing up to be evaluated for an in-person visit. If you have chest pain or difficulty breathing, please call 911. We need you to make good health decisions to keep you and your loved ones safe.
And if you're healthy, you can leave your house. Just think about your timing to avoid large groups of people, practice social distancing, avoid group gatherings, especially if you're in a high-risk group like seniors and those with underlying chronic medical conditions. If you have questions, you can find answers at cdc.gov/coronavirus or arlingtonva.us/coronavirus.
The County Board is voting to consent to the County Manager's declaration of a local emergency. This will allow us to get the resources we need in the quickest way possible to keep our community healthy and safe. In this rapidly evolving situation, our county government response will adapt to meet the needs of our community. We need your help in keeping yourself, your family, and our community safe. Please Continue to visit our public health coronavirus webpage for up-to-date announcements, guidance, and a situation report. That's at arlingtonva.us/coronavirus. Together, we can and we will keep our community strong and resilient. Thank you for your support. All right, thank you. Mr. Manager, we've got one item. Would you like to introduce it, talk about it, and we will move forward?
Thank you, Madam Chair. As we just noted, at 7 o'clock last evening, I signed a declaration of local emergency, and that allows me to make easier access of state and federal funds, also to acquire goods and services and add to staff as needed. And a copy of the declaration will be put on the county's website, and I'm asking if you would consent to my action, and I'm available for any questions.
Thank you. Colleagues, I think we're ready to vote on the ratification of our county manager's declaration of a local state of emergency. All in favor, please say aye. 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 Motion passes 5-0. It's been ratified. Yes, Mr. DeFranti? Oh, 4-0, thank you. Yeah, 4-0. With that, we're done. For anyone watching, I hope everyone pays attention to the social distancing, wash your hands, wipe down surfaces. This is going to be with us for a while. Your government has been working flat out for weeks now. We're going to continue to do so. Everyone, please be safe and gentle with each other. Thank you. We're adjourned. No, it's okay.